about our friend Poncho, we said he lives in the Antarctica, and there in the Antarctica, near the coast, by the ocean, the temperature can go over 10 degrees Celsius. 10 degrees Celsius is pretty warm. A very cold morning in Bogota, an incredibly cold night in Bogota will be like 5 degrees Celsius. 5 degrees is, super cold. And Bogota wouldn't experience such a very low temperature. However, is pretty similar. There in the summer. Summer. But anyway, it can fall below negative 40 degrees, below minus 40 degrees Celsius in the winter. So even Poncho will be cold with that weather. However, far from the coast, it can rise, it can go up to negative 30 degrees Celsius in the summer. And when he's drinking soda and having ice cream, it will be negative 30. Jesus Christ. And fall below negative 80 Celsius in the winter. Even Poncho will be cold. So we are going to see that difference there by the coast. So by the coast, it says that it is in the summer 10 degrees, something about 10 degrees Celsius. And it can go negative 40 by the winter. So what is the distance from it? This is one point and this is the other point. And the difference is the distance which is there between those 2 points. So what is that distance? Well, we can easily tell that it is 50. Why 50? Because from 0 to 10, we have 10. And this is negative 40, but we are going to keep in mind the absolute value of it. Why? Because we don't want to keep in mind it is negative. We just want to keep in mind its absolute value. It means 40. And 40 plus 50, 40 plus 10 is 50. So the difference is 50 degrees Celsius. Now, there is another way to say it, there is another way to describe this situation, and it's the difference. So the difference between 10, and because its difference is subtraction. When we use the word difference, we basically mean subtraction. Minus what? Minus negative 40. And because we have, once again, negative and negative, we are going to say they go the opposite. The opposite of negative is positive. 10 plus 40 is 50. The total distance is 50. In this case, we are talking about degrees, so 50 degrees Celsius. And that's it. Say goodbye again, Poncho.